In this video, I'll show you how I transformed my kitchen counters and backsplash into a fresh modern look without damaging anything at all or without breaking the bank. This entire DIY was done for under $20. Stick around and I'll show you how. If you're looking for an easy makeover project, this one is beginner friendly, budget conscious, and completely renter friendly. No permanent changes, no tools required, and best of all, no landlord stress. So without further ado, let's jump right in. So I got these two from Amazon. I purchased two because I figured one would not be enough, so I got those, and that is what that looks like. And then I got these two from Temu, but I'm not sure if you can see. One slightly is a little darker than the other. Then we'll see how that works. So these two are going to go on the counter and these two are going to go on the wall. I have started to clean the wall off, because you know you have to clean that off, clean off the grease and everything. And I'm using Dawn Power Wash. Yes, Dawn Power Wash, scouring pads, and then I'm going to remove this and clean that off. So the next time you see me, I will come back to show you how I put on the wallpaper on the wall and the vinyl on the kitchen counter. I love the white gray, the brick design on this wallpaper. It rolls vertically, so I had to measure the distance where I needed to cut and then cut a few pieces. Here I'm just showing you that I used an old debit card. You don't need any fancy tool. If you have fancy tool, then that's fine, but just use what you have. This is what it looks like, my friends. Now, because the vinyl is rolled vertically, meaning from top down, that's why I had to make those joins. Not really loving them, but that's just how it is. So this is what I'm finished with the wall. Took me a few hours, but I'm done with that. And this is the mess I'm creating. I'm going to do the countertops now. Alright, so I know my lips are moving here, but I had to remove the audio because it wasn't loud enough. But here I'm just showing you the vinyl that I'm going to be using on the countertop. And I know I had said I got this from Temu. I actually got this from Shane, and it wasn't enough, so incidentally I had to order another roll to complete this project. I want the contact paper to rest on the edge of the countertop, so I use my finger to just help to find where the edge is, and then I just peeled off a small portion and place that down. I also wanted to have an overhang, so I measured the distance of the overhang and then I just put that down. And once I got that part secured, I started peeling and using my hand to smooth everything out. And the credit card or the plastic card is helping me to just remove any air bubbles that is underneath, because you want the surface to lie flat. And I just worked my way all the way down to the sink, and then I kind of eyeballed where I needed to cut, so I have that little angle going around the sink. The vinyl wasn't wide enough, but that is okay because this is just temporary. I'm going to use waterproof self-adhesive caulking tape to put around the edge so that water doesn't get there. I ordered that, but it didn't come in time, so I'll have to add that afterwards, but I'll link that down below just in case you are thinking of doing this project in your kitchen. Then you can have that as well. Before we head to the final reveal, let's read some scriptures regarding creativity. Exodus 35 verse 31 and 32. The Lord has filled Bezalel with the Spirit of God, giving him great wisdom, ability, and expertise in all kinds of crafts. He is a master craftsman, expert in working with gold, silver, and bronze. You can replace craftsman and put craftswoman there. Just put yourself in the scriptures. Now here we are all ready for the final reveal. Let me know what you think about my countertop and backsplash makeover. I am in love with it. Let me know if this is something that you would try in your kitchen. And yes, it is renter friendly. If you are living in a rental apartment, you can do this. Make sure you know what your contract says and that you are not doing anything that will breach that contract between yourself and the landlord. But I love this. If you enjoyed this video and would love to see more content like this, please let me know down in the comments below. You can put that tool emoji that will indicate to me that you enjoyed the home improvement content, and I would do some more like this for you. And there you have it, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. I enjoyed crafting with you today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more creative projects like these. And tap that notification bell as well so you never miss an upload. Need more inspiration? Click right here for other fun DIYs. Happy crafting, stay safe, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye!